Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be doing a very beautiful Aurora painting, and again it's a tape art. So for this we are going to use the masking tape. First just paste this masking tape on the surface cutting board, and you can cut it down and just paste it on your canvas. So yeah, and guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe, and yeah, let's get started with the painting. Okay guys, so the very first color that I have grabbed is I have mixed a little bit of orange into the lemon yellow, and then we will be starting from here. So it's just the Aurora painting, so you know that Aurora is very beautiful, having lots of colors in it. So we will start from this color first, and the second color I have mixed the magenta with a little bit of white, and I have put white in this color as well. So mix the colors. And here I'm grabbing another brush. Here I am using the white with the cobalt blue. And I'm using the same brush, but I have taken the ultramarine and white mixed. Now I'm grabbing the petal blue and mix it with the other colors. And that would be more to one side. Bit of violet, and blend it with the cobalt blue, ultramarine and petal blue. Okay guys, so now here I have taken lemon yellow with a bit of white, and we'll be applying in this way. So guys, now we have done the light part, so we need a toothbrush, and we have grabbed some white color over the top of it, and then we will just sprinkle on the sky area. Okay, so now are we going to do the mountain part, and I have mixed the petal blue with black. now guys, I have taken a palette knife, the smallest of all, and then I'm using the Persian blue with the white. I've grabbed it like this, and in this way we're going to apply our color. And guys, now I'm using the white color for the icy places that is having snow on the mountain. Okay guys, so we're now done with the mountain part. Now we're going to do the water part. So here I have used the ultramarine and the petal blue. So I'll be mixing them together, and most of all I'll be using the darker color near the mountain area. Little white at the very bottom of the water. Okay guys, so now I have grabbed the mid yellow and orange color. We're just going to create some little houses into between the mountain area and water. We're using the tip of our palette knife so that to create that effect for the little houses at the night time. And now I have grabbed the white color just to enhance the light more. We'll dab it over the top of orange and mid yellow. Again, using the tip of the palette knife, and just to create the reflection of the lights on the water, we're going to drag the colors already in there. So this is not the extra color that we are grabbing, so it's the same color and we are dragging that. It's the very last part for the stars. So guys, now our scenery is completed. Now it's the asthma time. So guys, this is the final look of the painting. Hope so that you like it. Please comment below and let me know that you have tried, and press the like button, and also the one who haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel, and also follow me on Facebook Almas Arts, on Instagram Almas Arts, so you can see in the right corner below above. So see you another time with the another amazing video, and have a blessed time. Take care. Bye bye.